Sunlight dances on the rolling hills. Wind is whispering through the daffodils. And old oak trees stand proud and tall, like they've seen it all, they've seen it all. A wooden porch, a rocking chair, Grandma's voice still lingers there, singing tunes from long ago, about love, about home. Ain't no city noise, just the sound of the breeze, crickets playing their melodies. There's peace in the way the river flows, and the way this old town knows. Where the river runs and the fields are wild, where the stars shine bright in the country night. No matter where this road may go, our heart stays here. I know this is my home. Sunday mornings, church bell rings, kids are laughing, hear them sing. Mama's cooking fills the air, love's around, it's everywhere. A dusty truck and open road, chasing dreams but never alone. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, I see the fields, I hear the sky. The world may change, the tides may turn, but the fire in my heart still burns. I'll always find my way somehow, back to the place I'm singing now. Where the river runs and the fields are wide, where the stars shine bright in the country night. No matter where this road may go, my heart stays here. I know this is my home. Yeah, this is my home, where we feel sway and June. This is my home. No matter how far I roam, love was waiting here alone. This is my home.